Welcome everyone to another video from Auto Garage Life, and today we're going to be replacing the valve cover gaskets on a Mercedes SL350. No, we're not. It's far too nice a day. We're out with the top down and we're driving aimlessly, just enjoying the sunshine. And that's 2005 Mercedes SL350, which is one of the best cars I've ever bought. It really is tremendous. I didn't realise how good they actually were until I bought this one. And when you start driving it and you start looking at all the mechanics around it, all the complexities, all the things that make it a good car, you realise why it was worthy of its price tag back in the day. But now you can get these for an absolute steal. You just have to make sure and get a good one, like this one. So this is an excellent one. Like I say, the problems are documented in the earlier videos. They're not too bad. I had a leaking roof seal at the back window. I've got the valve cover gaskets to do. The C-pillar seals were also leaking a little bit. And we changed the front grille because it was damaged. This fog light still doesn't work. It's an electrical problem. I need to rewire it, I think, because changing the bulb doesn't do it. And then we have one of these elephant ear flaps stopped working, which stopped the roof working completely. But as you can see, it's working now. The only wee cosmetic thing I need to fix is this little flap down here, which is quite an easy fix. I'll do a video on that later. And obviously we're going to change the stereo at some point. I've mentioned that in the earlier video, but who cares? Look at this. This is what this car is made to do. Driving top down, chilling out, not particularly going anywhere, just driving for the sake of driving. And I'm lucky enough to live near a coastline route, which is an excellent driving road. Very quiet during the day, and you can let this thing loose. 3.7 litres, 250-ish horsepower roughly, but it feels a lot more. I've got my other car's Dodge Charger, which is obviously a lot more powerful, but driving with the top down, you can't beat it. I would recommend getting a 350. You don't have the added headache of the ABC suspension on this car. This has got coilovers, which means it's an older car. I don't need to worry about a huge repair bill, even if I'm doing it myself, per corner if the struts need replaced. ABC struts are about £600–700 a pop per corner in the UK, plus the time to fit them and recalibrate it. So I'm really happy with this car, with this standard suspension. For someone like me who's not a professional racing driver, it's absolutely fine. Power's fine, 250s, it's okay. It's not hugely massively fast, but it's faster than most things on the road. But like I say, when the weather's like this, does it really matter? Probably not. So there we go. I'm going to go on with this. I'm going to go and drive this car now. I'm not doing any repairs today. This is going to be a driving video of this car in its element, doing what it's supposed to do. So let's crack on. Let's hop in. Go for a drive. Oh. This car's got 75,626 miles. 23.5 degrees. It was 24 when I left the house. That is hot for this part of the country, believe me. Starts up first time. This is working again. You saw my earlier video, there error message on it, so got it going again just by rebooting it. And let's get our belts on. And let's go. Oh look, another car. Someone else is in this part of the world as well. Got a little dash cam going, because if I get caught doing this, I'll get fined. Okay, let's turn this camera off and we'll use a dash cam. I'll get some footage on the way home. You can see these brilliant polishing on the boot lid here for SL350, and we're going to try and get rid of some of these scratches that you'll see there. Some more little light ones over here, and there is a big one there, and a few bits and pieces that just need to be polished up. So we're going to polish this with a dual action polisher, and then we're going to finish it with Maguire's hybrid ceramic wax. So let's go and see what we're doing, right? So what we're going to do is polish the boot lid. Yep. We're going to use the Maguire's Ultimate Compound first. Then we're going to do ultimate polish and a finishing polish. Then we're going to cover it with this hybrid ceramic wax, and we'll see what the water beading effect is like once we're done. So we've got a dual action polisher here. Start off with the big pad, go down to the small finishing pads, and then we'll do a water test at the end. Sound good?
Yes.
Right, okay. So let's crack on, let's start then.
I will also be helping in this one.
Yes, I have a helper today.
You might remember me if you're an original person that watched Auto Garage Life when we had like 7 subs.
7 subs?
I helped with the videos.
Oh, we've got like 60 now, so we're doing not bad.
Help us get to 100, please.
Yeah, 100 subs would be good. So we're going to set this up, and we're going to just do the boot lid, but we will dual action polish the whole car at some point. Right, let's go. On number 3 to start with, right? Okay. What I do is I press down and do some X's, various bits. We'll just do it a section at a time. So we'll split the boot in half. We'll just do this bit. Right?
No, we are not a part of the X-Men, in case you're wondering that.
Spread this around.
Okay.
There's a wee scratch there that we'll try and get out. Then you start it like this, right? Ready? What we do to finish it is crank it up to 5. And it goes crazy. Ready?
Yeah.
Right, so see how those wee scratches are still there?
Yeah.
Feel it. Right, listen. You do it. You try doing that. See the difference? Right? And what we'll do is get a wee cloth. Okay?
Yeah.
Minecraft with homage. Look. See that?
Yeah.
That's because all the wax and stuff is off that we've put on, and we've now polished it, right? So what we can do now is paint corrected it. It's pretty good, isn't it? I'll leave it Maguire's Ultimate Polish. We're just going to do this with the microfiber pads. Okay? It's kind of the same, right? Go it round like that, right? Don't get any on the black. Go.
That?
That's it. Smaller circles. Don't touch the spoiler with the polish, okay? And here we have a young detailer, hard at work. Josh Alexander Detailing Services are available. Please call 0800 755 Josh Detailer.
Don't actually call that because you'll come up with a random person. And how many likes should we get in this video?
Well, I'm kind of hoping for maybe like 30 or 40. That's better than what we've done before.
I have to get 5 subscribers from this video.
Right, okay.
And 35 likes, compromise.
35 likes, wow. Okay.
Okay. Don't know if you guys can do that.
Well, we don't have many subs because we're still a new channel.
Well, I mean, we have 58 subs. And those 58 subs are very good subs.
We appreciate every single sub.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to use Maguire's hybrid ceramic wax.
That's actually fine.
Look at that. Yeah, you were going to turn the hose off, did you?
To the right to turn off, isn't it?
Yeah. Lovely. So this is drying the car with water. See that? If you hold it, and then when I say to you, I go down here. Off. Oh, that's a perfect one. Okay, so that's us polished and ceramic waxed. The beading is excellent. Water practically runs off it now. Look at that, eh? That's the beading. Most of the scratches are completely gone. There's a couple of wee ones that we'll maybe have to go over again in the machine polisher, but in general, they're all completely away. Look at the size of those beads, look. Woo! That is pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there's an untreated panel. Untreated part of the boot. And a treated part. I would say that was pretty good, isn't it? So Maguire's ceramic wax, along with the ultimate compound and the ultimate polish, in order of when we applied them. Step 1, step 2 and step 3. Using a dual action polisher for step 1, hand polisher for step 2, and then just spray that on, rinse it off for step 3. I would say that's excellent.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
It's around $20 a bottle for ceramic wax, and these are about 12 to 15 pounds depending on where you buy them. And we only used a little tiny bit of the ceramic wax, didn't we?
Yeah.
Still a lot left in it, so enough for a good few coats on all 3 cars. That's pretty good. Excellent, eh? Thank you, helper.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
What?
Oh yeah, that's better.
Oh, bye.
Yeah. Okay, so final inspection. Most of the light scratching's gone. Still a few little swirl marks here and there. I didn't polish it for too long, but really pretty good results for a quick dual action polish on one panel. No visible scratches now. And here's what we used. 3 products from Maguire's. Highly recommend them. Not sponsored at all by them, but all good stuff. So, and I went out another dry because it was such a nice day. So please like and subscribe this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you in the next video where I will get round to fixing the valve covers eventually. Maybe if it rains. Thank you. See you soon.